Hi everybody, my name is Steven and I'm from Germany. We came to Queenstown in December 2018. That's where we bought and built our car. It is a Ford Econovan Maxi built in 1999. It has a 2-liter petrol engine and the odometer counts 296,000 kilometers. It also has a 5-gear manual transmission and a long wheelbase, so it's plenty of room in the back. It is also fully self-contained until September 2020. The front fits 3 passengers, so there's plenty of space as well. After we bought the car, we removed everything inside down to the bare metal. We have built in a new floor, a new kitchen and a bed and storage area. Everything is painted and sealed with silicone to prevent it from molding. The kitchen contains a sink and 3 tanks. 2 tanks are for fresh water and hold up to 35 liters. 1 grey water tank can hold up to 25-liter grey water. You can take out the freshwater tanks for using them and filling them, or you can fill them with a hose so you don't have to carry them. The grey water tank has an emergency hose in case it gets too full, and also a draining hose so that you don't have to get it out of the car for draining it into a dump station. The other part of the kitchen contains the electronics and is safely sealed from the wet area. It contains a big marine deep cycle battery for charging all your electronics and powering the lights. The second battery is charged over the main car battery and separated by an electronic automatic switch, so that you don't drain the main battery and can start your car always safely. In the back of the car is the bed and the storage area. It is about 2 meters long and 1.5 meters wide. The storage area is made out of 6 boxes and a long walkway, which can be also used for storing long items. The 6 separate boxes allow you to store all your food, clothes and other stuff separately. This large front box here contains also the chili bin, so that you can reach all your food and supplies during cooking inside the car. The roof is isolated to keep it nice and warm and also to reduce the noise. In April we got a new windscreen and wiper plates because of stone chipping. In March we got the rear brake serviced. The drums were machined, we got some new cylinders and brake pads. Also the tires are completely new, so that you have a good profile for the wet season. Additionally, we got in January a new clutch. Please feel free to ask me anytime if you have further questions. If you are interested, please let me know so that we can arrange a viewing and also a test drive. Thanks for watching and your interest.